Hi. We will guide you on how to import your existing templates from Gmail in order to transition to using more powerful Canned Responses Ultimate add-on for Gmail in this video. As you can see, we have some preset mail templates in Templates by Gmail. Let's get started. First, please open any email and then access Canned Response Ultimate add-on from the sidebar in Gmail. Next, please click on three dots icon for More Actions menu and click Import Default Gmail Canned Response Templates from the menu items. Please click on Import Templates now. A new window will pop up and presents you the list of default responses. By default, all responses are checked for import. Please assign a category to each response before you proceed with import. Leave it to default category if you don't wish to assign any category. Click Start Import. Once all the responses are imported, close the pop-up window. Go back to home screen. All your templates are imported and now ready for use. Hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop us a line at help@bitcues.com. Thank you.